Hey everyone, this is Vanessa, and today I'm going to be talking about the Honest Face and Body Lotion. So this is a company, I believe it's Jessica Alba's company, and it was originally created, I believe, for geared towards her children, like babies. So it's very gentle. It's very gentle products that are just really gentle on your skin and great for your skin or body and things like that. What that I actually have is called Perfectly Gentle. It's natural, hypoallergenic, and non-greasy, and I have it in the scent Sweet Orange Vanilla, and you guys, it smells exactly like an orange creamsicle. It is amazing. The smell, it's so good. It takes me back to summers as a kid and eating creamsicles or orange vanilla twists from my favorite ice cream parlor on the beach. So everyone has different memories. I think the creamsicle smell always just takes me back to that, and so that's probably why I really like it and was really drawn to this product, is because of this scent. But I really do like the way that it works as well. The back has lots and lots of information. The description of it says, our natural, perfectly gentle and mild lotion moisturizes skin without a greasy feeling. Happy, uplifting orange and vanilla extracts combined with nourishing organic botanicals leave skin feeling supremely fresh and soft, making skin happy one cheek at a time. It says, sweet smelling orange and vanilla brings smiles and brighten spirits. Chamomile, calendula, and aloe help calm and soothe. Organic olive, shea, and jojoba oils nourish and moisturize, and it's made without harsh chemicals or synthetic fragrances. And that's the one thing I really love about this brand, is that everything is very natural. It is natural, hypoallergenic, vegan, and pH balanced. To use, great anytime, day or night, especially after bath or shower. Apply thoroughly daily to help nourish and moisturize skin. I like to use it after a shower when my skin is still kind of damp. I really because when your skin is damp, your skin is more like a sponge, and it kind of just absorbs the lotion. It absorbs the moisture better. So that's my favorite time to use it. I do also use it on my face after washing my face. Let's see, honestly free, guarantee. It has a guarantee here that it's made without silicones, parabens, word that I cannot pronounce, I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that, synthetic fragrances, dyes, formaldehyde, carriers, PEGs, gluten, or most common allergens. And then honest to goodness. Your purchase helps fund access to safe products and advances in research and education that supports healthy, happy lives for all. It is not tested on animals. And there's no animal byproduct in it. It is made in the USA. The bottle itself is recyclable, which is always nice to know. You've got your list of ingredients here. A lot of natural ingredients, which is really, really great. There are a few different scents in this line, in this collection, but this one is definitely my favorite. I believe there's also another lotion called Calming, which I do want to try. I got this one because I liked the scent of it better, and you can also get the matching body wash, which is really nice. I do like to use this on my face, like I said, after I wash my face at night. It's really nice, and it's just a nice scent to kind of lay down and relax with. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this. When you first buy it, you do have to use the twist cap because it comes sealed. So you have to take the little foil off, and if you've seen any of my other previous videos, you will know that I am all for products that come with the little foil over the top, because then I know that I'm getting all the product. So I'll go ahead and open it and squirt a little out on my hand to show you. It is a white. Look at that. Always make sure to wipe it, because then it just gets hard and crusty and kind of gross. There you go. And it's a white product. It is definitely, it says not greasy, I don't know how true that is. It's very much more, it's more wet, I guess, than like other lotion. It does dry pretty quickly though, so I don't know. I just don't know how much I really agree with the fact that it's advertised as non-greasy, because even though it does dry, like I can still feel it is a little greasy. Like I don't know. That's probably the only really complaint that I have about this lotion. Other than that, it does make my skin feel really soft. I especially love using it on my face. It makes my face really, really soft, and it's just really nice. It comes in an 8.5 fluid ounce, so unfortunately it's not one that you can like take on an airplane with you. You'd have to put it in a checked bag, checked luggage, as you won't be able to get through security with it. But it is a pretty, like, the shape of it is nice still to travel with. It'll fit nicely. It'll fit fine in a bag. Or you can always just put a little bit into like a travel size bottle and take that with you and leave this at home. That works out well as well. So yeah, overall I really, really do love this lotion. I love this brand and this collection, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.